Keith, do that thing where you fart through your head.
Alright then.
Oh, mate, that was wicked.
You know it.
Yeah, this is awesome. Come on, man, dance. Let's go. Over. Yeah, I love festivals.
You know the first band's not on for half an hour, don't you?
Whatever. I've had 2 pints of cider. I'm king of the world. I think I've just missed something. Oh, brilliant, an injury. I'm so hardcore.
Wait for it. Wait. It's coming up. Coming up.
Now!
It hurts a bit.
No, guys. I can't keep doing it. Oh, it's so funny. I know. It's hilarious. I know it too. All right, watch more. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Picture the scene now. One of us, right? Walks into the bar. Up comes the barman, who says bonus brass. What a long face! What a long face! Oh. Is this gorilla enough for you?